Hey guys, it's Charles, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix your Google Play Store icon not showing up on your Android phone. So, first thing we're going to do is pull down our drop menu and go into settings in the top right by hitting the gear. And then we're going to hit display. Then we're going to scroll down and hit home screen. And then scroll all the way down and you'll see a button that says hide apps. We're going to click on that. And then for me, it just shows me all the apps that are hidden. So it shows that my Play Store is hidden. But if it doesn't show up like that, you can scroll down. These are in alphabetical order. You can then scroll down to the P and unselect it. And now my Play Store is unhidden. And we can hit done. And then go home here. And then if we pull up our apps, our Play Store should be right there. But if you still can't find it, you can search for it. So just search Play Store and it'll show up, and you can press and hold on it and then hit locate app, and that'll show you where it is in your actual apps. And then you can just press and hold it and drag it up into your home screen and then place it there. So there you go, guys. Very simple tutorial today. So thank you guys very much for watching. Let us know if that helped you. Leave a comment in the comment section below. If you have any suggestions for future topics that we should cover or any questions, you can leave those in the comments as well. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.